Sky and candy cloud.
Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys 5 fabulous affordable headband units. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching.
My gypsy girl, something to myself.
Okay divas, so I hope that you guys have enjoyed my lookbook. I wanted to bring you guys some affordable headband styles to you guys that could be worn like every day. So the one that I'm wearing now is Boss Babe. I actually never reviewed the half wig version, but I did review the lace front version and I really love it. I still have it to this day and I love it, and I absolutely love this as a half wig as well, especially seeing that I can wear a protective style with the headband. So I really do love this one. So amazing. The only difference from that one is this one I got in the color number 1B, and this is from their Curls Kingston coat line. And by the way, I will have all the units listed down in the description box below in the order in which I did go ahead and show you guys them, because I know that's important. I know you guys want to know like the names of it. And also I wanted to say I will have the headbands listed in the description box below. Now these headbands do come, like it comes with a lot more headbands than I even showed you in the video, and they're super affordable and you get like so many headbands. I did get those from Amazon, so I will have them linked down in the description box below. But yeah divas, also please let me know which one is your favorite. For me, this one is my favorite. I definitely think all of them are super cute and I definitely will be rocking all of them, but this one to me was just like my absolute fave. Like I feel like, I don't know, like I feel like this is my hair. Like who gonna check me? Like this is my hair, sis. Okay, like I just love how soft it is and how natural it is, and it just looks amazing. And I think that all the units look amazing. So and they're very easy to work with. Granted, some of them will have shedding and tangling. Nothing that's too bad, because if it was, I wouldn't even include it in the video, because of the simple fact that like I wanted something that was truly for every day. Actually 2 of the units did not make the cut because they were like horrible. So I'm only showing you guys the ones that does have shedding and tangling, but in the same token, like it's not too much and you could definitely still rock it every day. So yeah, make sure you guys go ahead and tell me which unit is your favorite, because I definitely will want to know. Do you have more than one favorite? Let me know. But yeah divas, I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video and found it very helpful and easy to follow. If you fabulous girls did, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you fabulous girls and know what you guys are thinking. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell, girl. I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you fabulous girls in my next video. Bye.
Young buds, baby. I see details.